Hey guys, this is some of the other doing work. So I heard something from here. So I don't know what it is. Yeah. I don't know the new ghost or something. I just see last episode trying to move on and hello? Are we there? I heard something giggled. I don't know what that was. Okay, yeah, so I don't know what that was and I heard something giggle. I was behind I'm all at bathroom and I heard behind me. Or something. I don't know what it's going. Yeah. Sorry about that. It's noise. Yeah. Sorry about that. I don't know what that was. So I don't know what is going on. So yeah. Gonna get more posts and we'll see how it goes and when there be updates. Who's behind me and my father in my room making noise and then like so. See you guys.